Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to hide zeros in your spreadsheet. If you work with lots of data in Google Sheets, maybe it's a budget, an inventory, or a log of grades or scores, you've probably noticed that sometimes your sheet ends up full of zeros. Those zeros can look messy, distracting, or just unnecessary, especially if you're sharing the sheet with others or printing it out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep your data neat and easy on the eyes by making those annoying zero values completely disappear without deleting any data. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's get to Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Gmail, which most of us are these days, just head up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small grid of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. It's kind of like the control center for all your Google tools. Click those dots and then find and select Google Sheets. This will open Sheets in a new tab, and from there you can either open an existing document or start a new one. If you already have your data in front of you and you can see those pesky zeros showing up here and there, you're ready for the next step. Now we're going to use a feature called custom number formatting. This lets you tell Google Sheets exactly how you want numbers to appear, including whether you want zeros to show up at all. So start by highlighting the cells that have zeros you want to hide. You can select a single column, a specific area, or your whole sheet. It's totally up to you. Now look up at the menu bar and find the word Format. Give that a click. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Number. You'll see another little menu pop out. Go all the way down to the bottom and select Custom Number Format. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. It's actually super straightforward. Here where the magic happens. In the box that appears, type in this exact line, 0 minus 0, and I'll repeat that 0 semicolon minus 0 semicolon semicolon at symbol. What this does is tell Google Sheets, show positive numbers as usual, show negative numbers with a minus sign, and for zeros, don't show anything. It's like giving your sheet a set of instructions for each kind of value. After you've typed it in, just click the Apply button, and that's it. Take a look at your sheet. Every zero should now be hidden, but all your other numbers will look the same as before. If you ever want to bring your zeros back, you can always clear the custom formatting or set it to a different format. And don't worry, your actual data isn't deleted or changed. The zeros are still there, just hidden from view, so your formulas and totals will still work perfectly. This trick is great if you want your sheets to look cleaner or if you're preparing something to share with a client or coworker and want to minimize distraction. That's all there is to it. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop a comment below. I love reading what you come up with. And if you want to keep learning cool Google Sheets shortcuts, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.